Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use Flux with KREA AI. Flux is a feature within the KREA AI that enables a real-time AI-powered image generation with live prompt editing and dynamic variations. And here's how you can use it. Go to KREA AI and log in or create an account. Navigate to Flux section in the Tools menu. You can either enter a text prompt or upload an image to modify it using the AI. Then adjust the Flux settings. You can do live editing to modify the prompt and see the changes in real time. Style customization, viability, control. You can adjust how much image changes based on edits. Then click generate and refine if you are satisfied with your design, and you can also fine tune it by tweaking the prompt dynamically. You can use Enhancer to upscale the improved detail, and once satisfied, download your final image. Share it on your social media platform or use it to creative projects. And tips for the best result: use detailed prompts for high quality outputs. Experiment with different styles for unique visuals and refine with real time adjustment to perfect your design. And that's it. You're now ready to create a stunning AI generated images with Flux in KREA AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.